Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resolve merge conflicts in a Git pull request. First, make sure you're on your feature branch and up to date by running git checkout feature branch and git fetch origin and git pull origin main. Next, merge the main branch into your feature branch with git merge main command. This is where Git will surface any conflicts. When you see conflict markers like these symbols, in your files, open each one, decide which changes you want to keep, then remove the markers. Once you've cleaned up every conflict, stage your fixes with git add file and create a conflict resolution commit with git commit mresolve merge conflicts. Finally, push your updated branch back to the remote with git push origin feature branch. Your pull request will automatically update and be conflict-free. And that's it.